Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. Guys, coronavirus outbreak is crazy. Please, please, please take care of yourselves. And so, here we are. Day 2 of Mewtwo Cup. Guys, I'm sorry if I could not post the videos very fast. I am currently multitasking so many things at the same time. Please bear with me. This is Mewtwo Cup. Let me just take a screenshot of this. Battle Royale Mewtwo Cup. We're done with Pokeballs tier A through E. This is Great Ball tier C, B, and A. We're using our Pokemon over here. Let's just equip this with a charge boost. And with that said, here we go. Mewtwo Cup Great Ball tier C. Fight! Boom. We win. Tyrant is the MVP. Wow, so much damage, guys. Close. We got 12,400 points. Awesome. Moving on to Great Ball tier B. And just battling. No need to consider who the opponents are. They are not exactly very strong. Well, unless you go up to Ultra Ball tier A and Master Ball tier. Now just observing how these guys battle it out. I see someone's confused. Again, Tyrant MVP. Awesome job. 15,040 points. Close. And one last for this video, guys. Great Ball tier A. Let's just get into the battle. Here we go. Enjoy watching. Such a mess. Tyrant is still the MVP. Let's see if that changes in the next few. Nope, it didn't. Tyrant, thank you very much for the awesome job. We got 19,280 points. And that's it for today, guys. That's it. That was Mewtwo Cup Great Ball tiers A, B, and C. Before we end, we will just refine this ore for... It's okay, let's just use it. And we get a lover level, or a lover times 1 and 30,000 coins. And let's just refine some other thing. And that's it for this video, guys. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys later.